Hello and welcome to this YouTube video ideation course. This course is part of the YouTube Operator Academy community, and in today's course I will be teaching you how to use AI to generate video ideas in 5 minutes. So let's get to work. I want to ask you the following question. Are you stuck in the idea quicksand? Do you have a problem of coming up with fresh ideas and it feels like pulling teeth? You spend hours brainstorming, you spend only to end up with 3 to 4 mediocre concepts while your upload schedule suffers. Here's the game changer. In the previous tutorials, we have shown you how to use the swipe file to come up with ideas, but in this age of AI, you can use AI to generate 100 ideas in the time it takes you to think of 3, but only if you know how to prompt it correctly. So the problem that most of the people that I've met have with AI is that it's giving them generic, unusable suggestions. And the main problem is because you haven't given it any context. It's like coming to a creator and create me a YouTube video. Sure, about what? For what audience? What are their interests? What do they want to know? What's the format? How it should be delivered? What's the angle? What's the goal? So from that perspective, AI is no better than an average human that you're talking to. So when asking AI for help, you have to give it a good prompt. It needs to understand the context. And in order to do that, you have to follow this ideation formula. First, you want to define your audience and be very specific. The more specific you are, the better result AI will give you. For example, my audience is fitness beginners over 40, which beats just fitness enthusiasts. Then if you specify format can be tutorial, listicle, reaction, challenge. Tell AI exactly what format you want. And then you want to be including the proven angles. Reference what's working, like a mistake video, before or after, or versus comparison. Once you actually define the angle, the AI will be able to suggest you what you should be doing, and also set the view goals. Ask for either high retention or viral potential ideas to match your channel strategy. Remember, not every video needs to be viral. It's either viral or high retention or high relatability for your current audience. So you have to be really specific when you're prompting AI. So one of those tools is, for example, the VidIQ AI coach. Now, I've been using VidIQ for quite a while there, and it's your personal idea machine. It can give you daily ideas and it can generate random ideas, but it also analyzes your channel performance data to create personalized suggestions, complete with optimized titles, descriptions, and with target audience insights. What it makes it special, it learns from your successes and failures and identifying patterns you might miss and suggesting ideas that work with your proven content pillars. So this is, for example, how it looks like, and you can have either daily ideas in which it's kind of generating some of the ideas for you, and it can suggest what you are using. Currently I'm showing this from a pre-plan, but you can actually have either customized ideas or the generic ideas that work well with your channel. And you can choose whether they're being presented like a list or like a daily idea you can dismiss or save. So that's kind of, I think it's a very decent idea for ideation. Then you can talk to the AI coach, where you can actually just tell it what you want, and it can then generate some content suggestions. What's the angle, why it works. For example, this is where I was talking to the VidIQ regarding Kerbal engineering. I was trying to identify what works on my specific gaming channel and asking it how to improve this. And actually I have recently yet to publish this video that will hopefully bring me tons of views. VidIQ Coach is definitely one of those tools that you really want to utilize when using. Now VidIQ, there is a free tier, so it's free to try. I will be posting a link in the comment below if you want to try it out, and just check if it works for you. Otherwise, you can do ChatGPT for outlier analysis. What you can do, you can take an outlier, you can paste in the transcript, receive and identify 7 patterns and receive improvements. It's kind of cool if you can use this to transcribe your videos, and that's something that I will be talking a lot in terms of my other videos. For example, when I'm posting a video, I usually record and do a lot of yapping. Then what I do, I put this into my video editing software. I use the AI transcription from DaVinci Resolve Studio to transcribe this, and then I ask ChatGPT to summarize it, make it shorter, to the point, and just improves. And then I record a second time, which is with a script that's actually much better and much more concise. So this is how you can transform successful videos into replicable formula. So if you do the same thing with the outlier video that you have identified that is in your swipe file, you can ask it to identify the patterns and tell you what the improvements are. The next step that you can do, you can always do an AI brainstorming session. So you can take on a strong idea and ask AI to generate 10 different angles or formats to find that hidden gem. Or you could do a format mashups and say, okay, combine proven formats, tutorial plus challenge or reaction plus expert breakdown, to do a little bit of cross-format pollination. And the third one is cross-niche adaptation, so borrowing winning concepts from other niches and adapting them to your own topic. This is what drives innovation in the videos, and you don't need to be creating AI slop. That's actually bad. But what you can do, you can use AI to help you as an assistant would, or somebody to bounce your ideas off. You can even use my typical approach. What I tend to do is when I'm out and about, I just open ChatGPT and I just talk to it. I press this microphone and I talk to it regarding my ideas, and then I ask it to even prompt me for feedback. Sometimes I can tell it to interview me until it gets the maximum context to produce the best results. That's, by the way, guys, is a power move. And then you just basically stop recording and say go, and it will gonna chug a little bit, and then it's gonna transcribe through all of your yapping, and it's gonna be creating something that actually sounds pretty good. The point isn't to have the completely 100% AI generating slop. The point is that you have a human bouncing ideas off AI, and them together working in tandem, where AI speed is going to help with human intuition. It's an ultimate meld. So AI generates, you validate, AI refines, you add magic. And that's the way how you can actually produce truly great ideas. So just remember, optimize titles, hooks, and infrastructure based on your feedback, and when you inject creative intuition and your authentic voice, you're setting yourself up for something great. The results: speed meets strategy. 100 ideas generated in 5 minutes versus the hours of traditional brainstorming will result in 10 times faster workflow, and you can ask AI to identify the Lego bricks that we talked about in the previous episode when you're analyzing the outlier. So you can put the outlier through the transcribe service and ask, okay, what are these 7 bricks? And AI can actually help you. But my advice would do it yourself and then ask AI to analyze it. And if that works, let me know. I think you're setting up yourself for something good. So the key takeaway is you want to have AI as an ideation toolkit. You want to use the speed and validation of an AI. You want to have specificity wins including niche audience and proven formats in every prompt. You want to be helping and asking AI to recognize the patterns, breaking down videos, finding hidden format patterns, and you want to combine AI with human judgment. That way, you can create some truly great ideas. So stop struggling, start creating. You will have the exact prompts and workflow to never run out of creative video ideas. AI handles the heavy lifting, you bring the sauce, you bring the creative vision. So your next step is open ChatGPT or VidIQ and generate first 25 ideas using the formula. Then validate the top 5 with the outlier research. Your next viral video is waiting. So hopefully this short video gives you a couple of ideas how to use AI to boost your ideation process, bounce ideas as if you would with a real person, having it interview you, that's a power move by the way, and then use that feedback to refine your ideas quickly. Remember, AI is speed, human is intuition. Those two melded together can be really powerful together. And if you want to learn more about why the top YouTubers design titles and thumbnails before making their videos, then check out this video and I'll see you on the other side.